So over here you can see that I have this particular email, and if I were to go around and click on reply right here, then I can simply write a reply right here and send out a reply just like this. I can also go around over here and forward this email. So you can see the forward option. So if I were to go around and click on forward, then what happens is that this email conversation can be forwarded to someone else over here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say tutorial2@outlook.com, and I can forward it to the other person right here. What I can also do is I can go around and use these buttons over here on the top, and here you can see that you get more option, but here you can see that you get the option to reply, which does the same thing as this reply. Then you have forward, which does the same thing as this forward. Then you got reply all over here. So once you go around onto reply all, and if this message has multiple people mentioned in it, then what happens is that you can go around and reply to all right here. So, but in this case, there's only one email right here, only one person, and that is why you only see this. So you can see that this is what I have. So if I were to go around onto inbox right here, then if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, yesterday's email, I can go around and click on reply all, then all of the participants will be replied out. So if I were to go around over here, there's only one sender so far right here. But if you have multiple senders, then multiple, not multiple senders, but multiple people being sent the email to, then it will all appear in the reply all section. And that is how you can reply and forward out emails from Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.